How to use waste empty bottles to grow such beautiful sunflowers? It's easy to operate and easy to learn. First, prepare 2 larger empty bottles. Cut the upper part of one bottle with a knife and cut the bottom of the other. Use an electric soldering iron to make a hole in the cap. Then burn some small holes around the bottle. If you want the final sunflower to look more beautiful, try to make the holes on the bottle body more uniform. Take out another bottle. Burn a circle of holes in the middle, a little higher. These holes will automatically drain when the water is full. If you plant it on the balcony, you cannot do it. Just need to burn a large hole. Just for convenient water addition. Find a towel with strong water absorption ability. Cut them into strips and insert them into the bottle cap. The container for planting sunflowers is ready. Choose a loose and breathable nutrient soil. After filling it, insert each sunflower branch and insert them into the small holes in the bottle. Water the bottle to the bottom the first time. Fill it to the cap. It should be noted that don't expose it to sunlight before the roots grow. And place it in a dim and ventilated place. This way of planting sunflowers reuses waste and saves the trouble of frequent watering. The cloth at the bottom will absorb water into the soil. Fertilizer can be applied to the soil above, or liquid fertilizer can be dropped into the water. Sunflowers like a warm climate, and it also likes plenty of sunlight. If the plant grows in a dark and humid place, it will have poor growth. In addition, it is relatively barren tolerant, and it can adapt most soils. It usually blooms from May to November every year, but in warm areas, it can bloom all year round. This is the final effect after flowering. It looks like a bouquet of flowers, which is very beautiful. If you think the bottle below, the water bottle is not beautiful, you can stick some stickers on it and put it on the balcony or at home. It will look great. Have you learned it?